Hi, Alison Marsden from Gardening by Design here, with a quick video tip on happy houseplants. I'm taking advantage of a snowy day outside to look at one of my indoor plants, and as you can see, this one is not looking particularly happy.
The most obvious problem with this houseplant, it's a peace lily, may appear to be the brown leaves. Obviously they're dead. I'm also quite concerned about how pale these leaves are, and that's showing that the plant is not getting the necessary nutrition. The fact that it's appearing to flower might suggest to you that it's all is well, but flowering in plants is often a sign of a last ditch attempt to produce seed before they actually die. So there's definitely, this plant is struggling. I'm going to clean it up in a moment and get the leaves off. So you can see here that I've cut off all the dead and dying leaves, even the leaves which have green but are going to go brown. Those individual leaves will not recover, but the plant itself is putting out new growth around the bottom. I use scissors for this one rather than secateurs because the stems are quite thin and you just snip them off at the bottom. These are my gardening scissors, not my kitchen scissors. And that's about it. It looks a lot thinner, but it does look a lot better. It will regrow. As I say, concerned about the lack of nutrition in these leaves. That could well be overwatering. Many houseplants are killed by overwatering rather than underwatering. I've got a set of clay granules in the bottom of this pot, which should help the drainage, but if I've overfilled it at some point, then that could be the problem. So we're not past the point of no return with this one. I will give it some plant food. That also, of course, eventually the compost does get completely exhausted. So you can see how much here, there's a whole tray of leaves that I've cut off, but those will go on the compost heap and the plant will be none the worse for that. So like I say, I'll lay off the watering a little bit. Oh, there's one I missed. Give it a liquid feed next time I do water. Keep it somewhere nice and light.
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!